Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a recent order that I just got from Paper Source. Now, before we get started, I want to say that I have kind of rediscovered a new or reignited love for binder planners, A5 ring binder ring planners. Now, I was a heavy Filofax user when I first started my planner journey. I used two A5 Filofaxes and then discovered Traveler's Notebooks, and then everything changed. But lately, maybe because we've been stuck at home for a while, or maybe just because I've really been kind of uninspired with my planning due to current events, I've kind of gone back to, I guess, what I started with, which is 6-ring binders, 6-ring planners, and A5 size, of course. And I am in a Facebook group for ring binder lovers or something like that. And someone had posted a link to Paper Source that they were having a clearance sale on 6-ring binders. And I kid you not, I got 2 of them and they were only $6 each. So, of course, I did not need them, but I felt justified in purchasing them because this whole order literally cost me less than $20. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Hopefully Paper Source is still having their sale, because they had their A5 binders on sale for $6 and their personal size binders, were on sale for $4. So all I did was cut open the paper, and wow. Now I don't remember getting this particular design, but maybe I did. Oh, I did. This is a this isn't a binder. This is a like planner notebook. Well, I'll show you. We'll open this and we'll flip through it together. But at first I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't order this, but I did order this. This is some type of a I forget what it's called. Folio, I think it is. So here is, let's see, I thought I ordered 2 binders, but maybe I didn't. Okay, maybe I didn't. I could have sworn I ordered 2 6-ring binders, but it's okay. I'm still very happy with this. So as you can see, the box is sealed in plastic, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera while I remove that. Okay, so we got the plastic off. Gorgeous box. I love their packaging. Now, I don't know if you have a Tuesday morning near you, but the Tuesday morning near me always has Webster's Pages planners, and they're heavily discounted. They're usually like anywhere between $14 and $16, but I've never seen them for this low price of $6. So I ordered, I think it's called the Gold Polka Dot. Oh, this is beautiful. This is prettier than I expected it to be. So you can see it's like a white faux leather with gold polka dots. Very, very pretty. Oops. This is so nice. Okay. So obviously, as you can see, we've got the side pockets here with the little window. You got a secretarial pocket here, and then you've got a full-length pocket here. This has gold rings, very nice. And it comes with vellum and the dividers, or it looks like a dashboard of some type. Very nice. Now this is not exactly my style, so I'm obviously going to remove these dividers and make my own. But it does come with some lined paper in the front. Very good quality. Now, I've never been, disappointed or not enjoyed the quality of Webster's Pages products. I do have one of their traveler's notebooks, and I think I had a binder a long time ago, but I got rid of it. But like I said, I've always been very happy with the quality. So you can see they've got different dividers here, and then it does come with undated week on 2-page. I think this is week. Oh no, these are not a week on 2-page. Well, they're undated, but it says week of, week of, week of, week of. So I'm wondering if you just put the whole week here, or if it's, and it has sketches. Maybe this is like an art journal kind of inserts. I'm not sure how these work. Obviously, I don't plan on using these, but they're very nice and the paper quality is very good. So this one says plan and do. So this is like a to-do checklist. Very nice. Oh, this is menu planning. Okay. Then you've got, I guess, more art journaling kind of pages, or maybe for scrapbooking. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, here we go. So you have a 2019-2020 July through December 18-month view and date me weekly. Oh, this is nice. And this is really cute. Look at how these are the months here. So you have July to December, and you can just flip through it. That's really cool. I've never seen that before. So obviously I will probably start here with June 2020. Well, I don't know if I'm going to use this for June, but I will probably set it up to use for July. So we've got the little date cards here that you flip through all the way to December of 2020. Then you have a week planner, and this says 2-page per week view. Oh, this is nice. And I like the, it has gold foil here. I hope you can see that. So you get a blank first page of the week. Then you go into Monday through Sunday, and then you have space up here for notes. And again, I'm very impressed with the paper quality. For $6, I am not disappointed with this at all. Looks like I've got some nice tight rings here. The size will work for me because I don't stuff my binders. So you've got inserts here. I'm going to assume that this is enough for at least the year because you have, you know, a week on 2 pages. Then you get to the back. And then you just have this blank page here. And then it looks like you have another dashboard. Then you have, again, the full-size pocket. And then you have a pocket up here, obviously, for a notepad or whatever you want to put in there. You have a elastic pen loop and the little Webster's Pages tag. This one says choose happy. Oh, you got 2 pen loops. Cute. I just noticed that. You have 2 pen loops, elastic pen loops here. All right, this is so nice, you guys. I'm very impressed, and I'm very, very happy with this notebook. I'm happy with the inserts. I'm happy with the layout and the design. Like I said, I will link the website down below because hopefully if they are still having this sale, you guys can get in on this. Okay. So, and this is what it looks like from the top. I think I got to get some of the cardboard out for this to kind of fall into place. And this is the spine. And then this is what it looks like from the bottom. And then that's the back. Very nice. I'm very impressed. I can't wait to use this. And this has a very classy, sophisticated, minimal look, which I appreciate. Okay. Okay, now let's get into the folio. Because I think that's what this is called. Looking at my receipt or my invoice. Oh, it says a 2020 Snap Front Floral Polka Dot LRG Composition Planner. Okay, and I'm wondering if it's called composition because of the size. So you get this nice little cover. Has a little bit of a ding there, but that's okay. I'm cool with that. Oh, this is nice too. Okay, so you get the same little pocket configuration here with the little window, and then you have this pocket here, and then the full pocket here, and it looks like you could slip something in there as well. So this is a monthly view calendar pad, academic 18 months. So it goes from July 2019 all the way to December 2020. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Now this seems to be printed on cardstock. This is very, very thick. So this is just a monthly calendar. Obviously there's no weeks or anything in here. There's no room to plan anything. It's literally just a look at a monthly calendar, which is totally cool with me because I wouldn't use this as a planner anyway. So it goes all the way to December. Then when you get to the back, you've got the same 2 pen loops, and then you've got this cute little tag here. It says Pure Happy, and you have a pocket for a notepad, whatever, a slip pocket here, and then you have a full-length pocket there. Oh, this is nice. I'm not sure what I will use this for. I want to say I think this was about $6 also, because I know I wouldn't have paid full price for this, knowing me. But I think it's really, really nice. I think I could use this probably for maybe my finances, or maybe for a couple of online classes, or like a work notebook of some way. I'm not sure, but the wheels are turning. Now I think I've seen someone use this for a happy planner. I'm not sure if that would work, but but I guess it could. But it doesn't seem to have a lot of room for the rings. But anyway, so that is the composition monthly planner. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, or this unboxing of my Webster's Pages clearance order. The shipping was great. The products are awesome. The price was great. I don't have anything negative to say. I'm very, very happy, very, very impressed. All right, everybody, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have more videos coming. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.